All right, so welcome to the Friday edition of Performance Seminar. We have 3 planned performers. We have 2 present currently. So our first performer is going to be Atticus. So if you want to unmute yourself, turn on your camera, and then yeah, announce your name and the piece you'll be playing for us today.
Okay, hi, I'm Atticus and I'm playing Nocturne.
All right, awesome. You got some live pops as well. Okay, so that was Atticus performing Chopin's Nocturne Opus 9 number 2. I am going to start the poll. And then yeah, we'll go from there. So Evelyn, if you want to start filling out the poll, and then if you have any verbal feedback, we'll kind of ask that, and then we'll kind of go from there. Yeah, I'll give you a moment to fill out the poll. We'll give a few more seconds to kind of get that done, hopefully. Yeah, cool, awesome. So we have the poll results in. Yeah, so Evelyn, do you have any verbal feedback to give at all?
No.
No? Okay, that's fine. All right, cool. So yeah, so looking at the poll, in terms of dynamics, you got 1 vote for 4. And I'd say the dynamics are pretty good for the most part. Like there's definitely a good like range of dynamics, like in terms of the variation between the soft and loud and all that stuff. I think it was a bit top heavy. So I would say like keeping the same like dynamic contrast that you had, but then just bringing it down a bit. Since it is a nocturne, it's one of the more kind of like peaceful nocturnes. I think just bringing down those dynamics just a bit will kind of help with it. But otherwise, it was pretty good. Articulation, another vote for 4, another 1 vote for 4. So articulation was pretty good. I think there was a few memory lapses, so I think that's definitely something more to work on. But beyond that, the articulation between all the runs and all the like, once you remembered the runs and all the other stuff, it was good. But there were a few pauses in between. In terms of balance, you got a 3. Yeah, it was okay. I think there were a few sections where the right hand felt a bit heavy, like it kind of overpowered the left hand. So I think kind of working between that balance, and that kind of goes with the dynamics as well. But beyond that, it was pretty all right. Phrasing, you got 1 vote for 4, and yeah, phrasing was nice. I think there were like, especially towards the end, you pulled like some really nice kind of like push and pull with the rhythm and the pulse that kind of like made that added a lot of character to the piece. So I thought that was really nice. And then on the last part, movement, you got 1 vote for 3. Yeah, definitely there wasn't a lot of movement as we are watching. So I think adding in a bit more, especially as this piece, there's a lot of left hand movement that I think you can really kind of push into, move with, and that can help with the visual and also the expression of that piece. Yeah, if you want to take a chance to take a look at that. Yeah. All right.